Will installing Android on my LG Webis TV void its warranty?
In this video, we will discuss whether installing Android on your LG Webis TV will void its warranty. This is a common question among TV owners who want to try a different operating system on their devices.
What is LG Webis TV?
LG Webis is a Linux-based operating system specifically designed for LG smart TVs. It has a user-friendly interface and offers various apps and features. LG is known for providing regular updates and improvements to this platform.
What are the implications of installing Android on LG Webis TV?
Installing Android on your LG Webis TV means replacing the native operating system with a different one. This process is called flashing and might require technical skills and knowledge. Flashing can lead to potential risks such as bricking your TV, making it unresponsive, or causing other technical issues.
Will it void the warranty?
Yes, installing Android on your LG Webis TV will most likely void its warranty. Warranty terms and conditions usually state that any unauthorized modifications, including software changes, can void the warranty. It's essential to read the warranty policy of your specific LG TV model to confirm this.
What are the alternatives?
If you're looking for an Android experience on your LG Webis TV without voiding the warranty, consider purchasing an Android TV box or a Chromecast with Google TV. These devices will allow you to enjoy Android features and apps on your TV without making any permanent changes to the TV's operating system. In conclusion, installing Android on your LG Webis TV will most likely void its warranty. It's essential to weigh the potential risks and benefits before proceeding with such modifications. If you're looking for an Android experience, consider using external devices like an Android TV box or Chromecast with Google TV.